Very good morning, dear students. Yeah, all of you are revising DPPs. So, yesterday we discussed LS for rules. So, these are the very important formulas. From my side, any disturbance is coming, tell me. Okay, dear student, here construction is going on. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Sin x less than tan x. Because these are properties are very important, dear students. Example, these examples, see. Limit extends to 0. Last point, see, especially this one. Limit extends to 0. Integral part of sin x by x is 0. So, thoroughly should revise these formulas. This one, right on? Previous JEE mains question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find limit extends to beta, this value. How to find? Right on? Quadratic express means here alpha comma beta are the roots means here x minus alpha, x minus beta are the factors. So this way I can write limit extends to beta 1 minus cos of, in the place of this one, I can write this one by as usual x minus beta whole square. So what I am doing here, just will see. I am doing here multiply and divide with a square into x minus alpha whole square by a square into x minus alpha whole square. Multiply and divide with value doesn't change. Now see, this one I can write like this, limit, here also limit. Now this is look like this one, see formula, here formula is there. Here both are same. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square means a square by 2. Clear? So here also, this one entire formula how to write 1 by 2. What about this case? Directly put x is equal to beta, a square into beta minus alpha whole square. Now see, power 2 is their even number, beta minus alpha, alpha minus beta, both are same. So option is C. Same question they are asking in advanced and mains also. After completing, tell me please. I can proceed here, students. Okay. Next one, see. Right on. It was the previous question, this one also. Let the sequence Bn of real numbers satisfies the relation. Bn plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 times Bn plus 125 by Bn square. Bn is not equal to 0. Then find limit n tends to infinity Bn is equal to 5. Dear students, this values we don't know that is k or lambda, L, anything. Then limit n tends to infinity Bn is all Bn plus 1, Bn plus 2 is also k. Infinite series, this is what? Infinite series. So Bn plus 1, Bn plus 2, for any cases, K is coming. So both sides apply limit n tends to infinity. So taking limit n tends to infinity, we get. What is the result? See? K square. Simplify. This is the result is coming in. K cube is equal to 5 cube. K is equal to 5. So answer is 5 is coming in. Next question, right on. If alpha 1, alpha 2, and so on, alpha n are the roots of the equation, x power n plus n into ax minus b is equal to 0. Then find alpha 1 minus alpha 2, alpha 1 minus alpha 3, alpha 1 minus alpha n is equal to n into alpha 1 power n minus 1 plus what is the answer? This is the question. Okay. Generally, 1, 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c, means how you are writing, dear students, is equal to a into x minus 1, x minus 2. Convert into factorize means. So like that also here, alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on, alpha n are the roots, means what here? That is x power n plus n ax minus b is equal to, right, n1, x minus alpha 1 is a factor, x minus alpha 2 and so on, x minus alpha n. See, degrees here, that's what they given n roots. Okay, both sides divide with x minus alpha 1. What is the remaining? X minus alpha 3 and so on, x minus alpha n. Now taking limits as extending to alpha 1, we get, see, what is the result? Limit extends to alpha 1, x power n plus n ax minus b by x minus alpha 1. Limit extends to alpha 1 into alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3 and so on, x minus alpha n. RHS, what is the answer in a one? What is the RHS? Directly put x is equal to alpha 1. That is alpha 1 minus alpha 2. Alpha 1 minus alpha 3. Alpha 1 minus alpha n. But in this case, what here applying? Let's just apply L hospital rule. See carefully. Why? Why we are applying L hospital rule? Because 0 by 0 form is coming. Because alpha 1 is the root. See, alpha 1 is the root means numerator is 0. Denominator is also 0. 0 by 0 form is coming. Then apply derivative here, students. N into x power n minus 1 plus na by 1. So this is the RHS. Therefore, alpha 1 minus alpha 2, alpha 1 minus alpha 3, and so on, alpha n minus alpha n. Now put this value n into alpha 1 power n minus 1 plus na, that is the answer. Why I am applying L rule? Because 0 by 0 format is coming in this case. That's why applying L rule. Why 0 by 0? Denominator is 0, but numerator is what? Alpha 1 is the root. Alpha 1 is the root of this equation. That's why 0 by 0 form is coming. Right on. Next one. Limit n tends to infinity. 4 power n plus 5 power n. 4 power 1 by n. Just want to see here, this is the logic, completely based on the logic. Logical thinking is required here. Just want to see how to get this one. Okay. What to do here? See, alpha 1 is the root means what here? Alpha 1 is the root means what? Alpha power n plus n a alpha 1 minus b should be what? 0, no? Root means that equation is satisfying the given root. Alpha 1 is satisfying the given equation. Alpha is also put alpha 2, x is equal to alpha to 0. Like that. Definition of, okay. How to solve this type of models? What to do? So in this case, which one is the biggest number, dear students? Verify that one. Given limits n tends to infinity, take 5 power n outside. 4 by 5, whole power n plus 1. Whole power 1 by n. That means 5 is the constant. 5 into, because n 1 by n cancel, limit at 1 plus 4 by 5 whole power n. What you are observing in this case? It is in the form of 1 power infinity. Second, infinity means how much coming? 1 power infinity is coming? No. Okay. So what the formula is coming? Let us see. How to solve this one? See. Anyone? Write the reason. 4 by 5, 4 power n tending to what? As n tending to infinity. Anyone? 0. Accepting this point? When n tends to infinity, 4 by 5 power n is what here? Because r tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. When modulus of r is less than 1, revise the properties. So answer is how much? 5. Why? Because this is 0. 1 plus 0 power 0. 1 by infinity, 1 by n is what? 1 by n tending to 0 as n tends to infinity. That is the meaning. Into 1 actually, this is coming 1, 5 into 1. So answer is coming 5. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2 by x is equal to e power 3. Find a and b. Why I am taking 5 as a common factor? Because 4 by 5 is less than 1. This property I am using. If I am taking 4, 5 by 4 power n means for tending to infinity. That's not possible. Welcome. So this one, see, direct 1 plus something is there. Put x is equal to 0. Given limit extends to 0. 1 plus ax plus bx square whole power 2bx. What is this? 1 power infinity form is coming here. So see carefully. X is equal to 0. Then directly I'm writing, see, e power limit extends to 0. Remove 1 now. Ax plus bx square into 2 by x. That directly you can write. 1 plus means formula is there. You can see. Now is equal what? E power 3. So simplify. E power limit extends to 0. What are the cases coming here? Multiply this one. 2a plus 2bx is equal to e power 3. So limit extends to 0. 2a plus 2bx is equal to what? 3. We get finite number. That means what here? 2a is how much? 3. Why? Right answer is finite number. Directly put x is equal to 0. So a is how much? 3 by 2. But what about b? Any real number because x is 0. So this one is very important. Why I am writing here? Bases are equal. Power should be equated. Completed? Oh, statistics 64. Wow, really great here. Okay. So, dear students, one previous question is there. Previous JEE mains question. That is IIT 2001. Find, evaluate. Limit extends to 0. Sine of pi cos square x by x square. Challenging anyone? How to solve? Sine of pi cos square x by x square. See, this is complete logic based on the logic. Small logic is required. What is that? See. So first of all, I told you, especially functions and limits, whatever may be, trigonometric formulas combining is very important. If you know trigonometric formulas, you can solve easily. Now, dear students, see, sine theta is equal to, everybody knows, we know that sine theta is equal to sine 1 minus theta. You can write like that. So here also, limit extends to 0, sine, how to write, see? Pi minus pi cos square x. Any objection? Theta means pi cos square x. Let's see. So limit extends to 0, sine. Take pi as a common factor. Limit extends to 0, sine pi into sine square x by x square. So what I'm doing here, see carefully, pi sine square x by pi sine square x I'm applying. Is it possible? Yes. Now see what I'm doing. Limit extends to 0, sine pi sine square x by pi sine square x into limit extends to 0, into pi. Take outside. Pi is the constant. What I'm doing, see carefully, once again I'm explaining. This is the word combination. Sir, why are you writing like this only? Because one property is there. Ax tends to 0 means what here? Sine ax by ax tends to 0. Like that I'm using. Now anyone, what is the value of this one? 0. Pi into, sorry, 1. This value is how much? 1 into, what about this case? Sine square x, this is our combination. Sin x by x, how much? 1. So finally, what is the answer? Answer is coming pi. Oh, this is I wrote here like this. Okay. That is equal to 1 now. By mistake, I wrote is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Okay. Thank you. Now keep eating. Note. Limit n tends to infinity. X power n is equal to 0 when it is possible, when mod x less than 1. Plus infinity when it is possible, if x greater than 1. 1 if x is equal to 1. X less than or minus means does not exist. Does not exist if x less than or equal to minus 1. Series expansions. All of you keep reading. 1. Sin x expansion. X minus x cube by 3 factorial. X power 5 by 5 factorial. Up to infinity. 2. Cos x expansion. In a class we discuss this one. 3. Tan x expansion. X plus x cube by 3. 2 by 15 into x power 5. Fourth one. E power x. E power x is the one of the important formula. E power x, especially E power x we use it frequently. 1 plus 1 x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, and so on up to infinity. Fifth one. 1 plus x. Plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 and so on up to infinity. So suppose if anyone asking logarithm of 1 minus x, nothing, replace x by minus x. Otherwise, if you want, write on minus x, all the terms are minus to infinity. 7. A power x, 1 plus x into log a, x into log a, whole square by 2 factorial, x log a by 3 factorial, and so on infinity. A power x means a should be greater than 0. Sin inverse x. So practice is required. You should remember these formulas. This is minus. Finally, 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 into x square by 2 factorial plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial x cube and so on, and belongs to R, and modulus of x less than should be 1. So you should remember when I'm asking, please respond this formula. After completing, please tell me, dear students. So shall I proceed? So what is the expansion of sin x, cos x, tan x, e power x, especially e power x I told you now. So thoroughly should revise this one. Okay. Newton's LEIBNIT. Newton's Leibniz rule. Frequently you're using physics also this one. Dear students, see. Let f of x is equal to integral u of x, v of x, upper limit, lower limit is what? G of t dt, for example. Then f dash of x is equal to g of v of x into v dash of x minus g of u of x into u dash of x. So please remember this one, keep in box all of you. When it is required, we discuss this one. Definitely. Dear students, see. Question number 1. Limit extends to pi by 2. Okay, just tell me what step of model is required. Just a minute. I think this place is not sufficient. Dear students, write down. Evaluate. Limit extends to infinity. A1 power 1 by x, A2 power 1 by x, and so on, an power 1 by x by n. Whole power. That is the question. Where A1, A2, and so on, an all are cost basis. How to find this value? This is the question, dear student. So, dear student, this type of models, what to do? Okay. For model, get ready. So, what is the case here? First of all, directly put x is equal 1 by t. Anyone x tending to infinity means then What about t anyone? 0. Check it. X is equal to 1 by t means what is the t? 1 by x. So change the limits. Limit t tending to 0. a1 power t, a2 power t, and so on an power t by n, whole power n by t. See carefully. Any doubt is there, ask me. Now, put t is equal to 0. I'm getting 1 power infinity form. See? Is it clear, dear students? What is the reason? See carefully. Once again, writing. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus f of x whole power g of x. Suppose. Directly how to write? It is coming, suppose 1 power infinity form. Then directly you can write e power limit extends to 0 f of x into g of x. So neither here also what I'm doing here. 1 plus means what here? Directly e power a1 power t, a2 power t, and so on an power t by n minus 1 into n by t. Why here 1 plus is missing? That's why 1 plus minus 1. Now take the LCM. E power limit returns to 0. What are the cases coming? By n by t. There n cancel. For the remaining, e power limit returns to 0. Minus n. N means what? 1 plus 1 plus how many times? N times. So a1 power t minus 1 by t. See carefully. a2 power t minus 1 by t. So that is here placed in our substitution. I'm writing dear students, see here. Continuation. So e power limit t tends to 0. a1 power t minus 1 by t plus a2 power t minus 1 by t and so on up to n times. E power ln a1, ln a2, ln an. Log a plus log b, that is ln a1, a2 and so on an. What is the answer finally? Exponential function, logarithm function, both are cancelled. Directly we are getting this point. The same model I'm giving, you can practice it as DPP. Still writing? Here students are now I'm giving shortcut formulas. So please remember this one, okay? Whenever you're getting, if you are not getting procedure support, so please use these formulas, shortcuts. So based on this question, first I'm giving, let me give an example. So practice at work. Limit extends to 5 by 2. Yes, students, this is the DPP question. Okay. 1 power secant square x, 2 power secant square x, 3 power secant square x, and so on, n power secant square x, whole power cos square x. How much is that? Same, both are same, previous one and this one. Next one. Limit extends to infinity. X plus 1 power 10, x plus 2 power 10, x plus 100 whole power 10 by x power 10 plus 10 power 10. Question number 1 to practice yourself, dear students. 3. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus 5x square by 1 plus 3x square. Whole power 1 by x square. 4. Limit extends to 5 by 2. Dear students, I'm giving. Okay. 3 power cot x minus 3 power cos x by cot x minus cos x. Limit extends to 0. Tan cube x minus sin cube x by x power 5. So try to complete these exercise questions. Now I'm going to shortcuts. Keep shortcuts, dear students. Okay, important results. How do you remember? Important results. If they are giving questions, see, important including results means suppose limit extends to infinity, integral part of x by x. This value is always 1 only. 2. Limit extends to 0. Root over a plus x power n. This type of format is the question, dear students. So answer is always 1 by root a for all n greater than equal to 0. 3. Limit extends to 0. Root over a plus x power n minus root a by x power n. 1 by 2 root a. Here also n greater than 0. Formulas. Limit extends to infinity. X plus a by x plus b. Power x plus c. Suppose. What is the answer? E power a minus b. Fifth one. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus a x square by 1 plus b x square whole power c by x square. Yes, students. Then e power a minus b by, sorry, a minus b into c is coming. Are you observing 4 and 5? Both are 1.0 format C. limit extends to infinity, x square plus ax plus by x square plus ax plus the whole power x is there. Simply answer is what here? A minus c. Dear students, find limit extends to a, limit extends to 0, x minus sin x by x cube is there. How to solve this model? Excellent model this one. Here, there are so many methods are there, but I'm using it directly. Put x is equal to 0, what is your answer? Anyone? Put x is equal to 0, what is your answer? Put x is equal to 0, what is your answer? 0 by 0 form is coming. Then what to do here? 0 by 0 form is coming means what to do here? Apply LHS rule. Clear, dear students? What is the result? Tell me. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of sin x is x by derivative of x cube 3x square. So take 3 outside, 1 by 3 into limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square. What is the formula in 1? That is a square by 2. So answer is how much? 1 by 6. So limit extends to 0. Okay. Not record, but I want to give the one formula. What does it? So based on the formula number 5, they were asking in previous IIT question. 4 and 5, previous IIT questions are there, especially 4 and 5, dear students. Please close the video, all of you. Dear students, if limit extends to 0, please write down these questions, very important. Cos 4x plus a cos 2x plus b by x power 4 is finite. Find a and b. So two methods are there. One is, what is that? Alaska rule or expansion. Best method is what here? Expansion method. What is the expansion of cos x? Anyone please tell me? What is the expansion of cos x or cos ax better? Expansion of expansion of cos ax. How much anyone? 1 minus. See the formula? Ax whole square by 2 factorial plus ax whole power 4 by 4 factorial and so on up to infinity. Okay, now limit extends to 0. Cos 4x, how to write, dear students? 4x whole square by 2 factorial 4x whole power 4 by 4 factorial minus 4x whole power 6 by 6 factorial and so on infinity plus a into, how to write? What next? A into cos 2x means 1 minus 2x whole square by 2 factorial, 2x whole power 4 by 4 factorial plus b whole divided by x power 4. Keep in your mind, what is this? Finite value. Okay. See, constant here 1 is there. See, dear students, limit extends to 0. 1 is the constant here, plus a is there. Here, plus b is the constant. Plus, take x square as a common factor. In this case, what here? 16. 16 by 2 means 8. Minus 8 is there. 4 by 2 minus 2. Minus 2. A is there. Into coefficient of x square. Plus, coefficient of x power 4 is how much? 4 power 4. 64. 64 by into 32 by 6. That means 32 by 3 is coming. See carefully. 4 power 4 by 4 factor means for 24. Simplify. 32 by 3. Next, yeah. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 by 24. 2 by 3. 2 to A. So on. Remind terms are not required up to infinity. Why, sir? Because denominator, what is the denominator? X power 4 is there. That's why you are considering x power 4 is equal to 5. Remind terms are what here? 0. Put x is equal to 0. Why? Because x power 5 by x power 4. X power 6 by x power 4 zeros. Dear students, see. This value is finite means what here? This is should be 0. This should be 0. Why? X square by x power 4 means infinity is coming. Are you observing? Constant by x power 4 means infinity is coming. So this should be eliminating 0, 0. For what about this case? X power 4 by x power 4, 1 is coming. So this value is finite. That is the meaning. So what to do here? First of all, 1 plus a plus b should be 0 and minus 8 minus 2a should be 0. Solve them along. So a is how much? Minus 4. Put any one of the case. See, put a is minus 4 means what the b? Tell me. 3. That's the question. Sometimes, okay, after simplify, sometimes they're asking what is the value of this limit. Now see, limit extends to 0. This value is 0, 0. What is the remaining? 32 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into a x power 4 by x power 4. Remaining case cancel. Now, if there, okay, question is only they're asking and b, but expanding question. Plus 2 by 3 into minus 4. How much? 32 minus 8 by 3. 24. That means answer is coming 8. So this model is very important. Expansion series concept. Limit extends to 0. A power x minus x power a by x power x minus a power a is equal to minus 1. I'm giving answer also here. A greater than 0. Then find the value of a. Limit is answer is given. 1, 2. Limit extends to 0. E power cos x. Let me see whether it is correct or wrong. Minus e power x by cos x minus x. I think cos x not good. Let's see. Maybe sin x. No, zero. Yes. So we can take sin x. Some models are there. How to solve this one? Tell me anyone. Anyone? What is the answer? Simple here. Dear students, put x is equal to 0. Anyone please tell me what the answer is coming? A power 0 means 1. Okay, yeah, undefined is coming. So these type of models, okay, differences means you don't know, no? Okay. Applying LSP rule. Applying LSP rule. We get derivative of a power x is how much? A power x into log a minus derivative of x power a into x power a minus 1 by. So dear students, this difference concept is coming further. Next chapter there is a differentiation. And is the right one. X power derivative of x power x is x power x into log x minus 1, log x plus 1, 0. Let me verify once again. X power x log y is equal to x log x. Don't write this part. For me, I'm writing y dash by y is equal to log x plus 1. Okay, correct enough. Now is equal to minus 1 is given. Okay. Question is correct. Otherwise, let me see. X power x minus a power a. Array, this is the question is a x tends to a. X tends to a, not 0. Check it. X tends to a means for 0 by 0 form is coming. 0 by 0 form. That's why applied last particular. Now put x is equal to a directly now. A power a into log a minus a into a power a minus 1 by a power a into log a plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So simplify here, student, how much coming? Tell me. A power a is the common factor. So log a minus 1 by a power a into log a plus 1. Both are cancelled. Log a minus 1 is equal to minus log a minus 1. So 2 log a is equal to how much coming? 0. Log a is equal to 0 means what is the value of a? Constant value. Dear students, now I am discussing previous year's questions completely. So I'm giving some questions. Previous year questions. What type of questions? IIT 2002, dear students. 2002. Limit extends to 0. Root over 1 minus cos 2x by root 2 x 1 2. So these are DPP questions, right? Otherwise I will explain your students. Okay. Limit extends to infinity. X square plus 5x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 3 whole power 1 by x. 2002, dear students. 3. Let f of x is equal to 4. This one also 2002. And f dash of x is equal to 4. Then limit x tends to 2. X into f of 2. 2 into f of x by x minus 2. Question number 4. This one also asking 2002. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 power p plus 2 power p plus 3 power p and so on. 1 power p by n power p plus 1. Excellent question. This one also try. 2003. Yes, students. 2003. Limit x tends to 0. Logarithm of 3 plus x. Logarithm of 3 minus x. Whole divided by x. So please tell me tomorrow we discuss only doubts, dear students. Okay, now find K. 2003. Advanced question. Limit x tends to 0. Integral 0 to x square. This one you should use Newton's Leibniz rule. Yes, students. One more question, Sachin. Just a minute. Okay, dear students. So I'm asking one funny question based on the limits. Okay. Tell me, for example, f of x is given. X square, x less than 1. X cube, 1 less than x less than 4. 4 minus x, x greater than 4. This is a very, very important, dear students. Listen, I'm asking how to find this case model. My question is, tell me anyone, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Question number 1. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 4 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 4 minus f of x. How to find this one? Anyone? How to find this question? Tell me anyone. What your logic is there? See, 1 minus, I'm explaining only one question. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. 1 minus means what? Where is this 1? X less than 1. Yes, okay? That is, you should take limit x tends to 1 minus directly x square. Put this value. What the output is coming? 1 square. Limit extends to 4 minus f of x. Where 4 minus? Here. So that is limit extends to 4 minus x cube means what to write? What the answer is coming? 4 cube directly. Answer is 16. 4 plus is the case. 1 minus 1 plus, see carefully. So please practice once again these questions. Okay? Have a nice day, dear students. Thank you.